Welcome to Study Loop.
The motion is a simple harmonic motion. We can write the sum of force is equal to mass times the acceleration of the center of mass, and the torque, sum of torques, is equal to I times alpha, where I for a solid sphere is 2/5 mr squared. Then we can write R times alpha will be alpha center of a mass with no slipping. For each sphere, we can write a force of friction Fs times R will be equal to 2/5 mr squared. So this is a torque. This is equal to I times alpha. I we have 2/5 mr squared times alpha, and this is R alpha is equal to alpha center of mass. From here, the force of friction will be 2/5 m alpha center of mass. For two spheres, we can write 2 times of the force of friction minus kx is equal to minus 2 m a center of mass, which is times 4/5 m a center of mass minus kx. From here, we can write minus 2 m a center of mass times kx is equal to 14/5 mass center of mass acceleration. From here, we can find a center of mass will be 5/14 k over capital Mx, where Ax will be 5/14 k over Mx, and Ax is minus omega times x. From here, omega will be square root of 5k divided by 14m. Using the definition of a t is equal to 2 pi over omega, we can write our t will be time period will be 2 pi square root of 14m divided by 5k. Then substituting a values, we can find a t. So our t will be 2 pi square root of 14 times 0.800 kg divided by 5 times 160. This gives us 0.743 seconds time period.